is that? Hold on. My question is, why is that the defeat picture? Why is it on Facebook? I got on Facebook and that was the first thing I saw. Oh my god. That's so embarrassing. Why would they upload that? Why would they put that in and be like, this is it? Why would they do that?
That's what I was wondering. I was like,
they literally took that. They literally like, let's have a picture for our laws. This is it. He's smiling. Why? Oh my god. This has gotta be it, Chief. Oh my god. Dude, that just made my day.
I want to know who's behind.
I literally got on Facebook and that was the first thing I saw.
Somebody doesn't like Russell.
Is it plugged into your controller? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, it's like the light store.
Freaking $10 Turtle Beach. What do you got?
Hey, care package.
I got just make a YouTube video about this.
Well, I will probably. I'll sit here and roast your mic and then upload it. I played Apex Legends with the guy with the worst mic. Holy crap, dude, your mic just like peaked in like the worst way possible. I mean, if I get close range, they're probably done for. Sniper to my right.
Charging up my shield.
Yeah, run.
On that rock.
Reloading.
What does my Q ability do? Oh, that was probably one of the best things to throw right there.
Another squad.
No, we're getting shot at by another team.
Oh my god, I got shot at from every single side. Man, I'm so glad we've killed all these teams.
Yeah, we have no action.
Sounds like me on a Friday night. Oh wait, that's me right now.
Oh, I get it.
Are we in Jurassic Park? What the heck is this freaking fence?
Okay, so that's dinosaurs. Alright, there's a team right here
We got bad guys
that we
over
could
there.
pick off.
Hey, the other one was left side. Oh!
Reloading. Come on, compadre, get up. Come on, come on, come on.
He's right there.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh wait, you lived? I thought you were dead.
Mm-hmm.
How about
I
left the
never
game?
die.
I'm gonna spawn in the storm.
Holy crap.
Oh my god! Let's go right here! There's another one behind me, I think.
Over there.
Oh my god, he's one shot up. Just about.
Unspotted. Taking fire.
You better not lose this.
We're all inside.
Oh my god.
I
I had to reload. I don't know what any of these guns do. That's my main problem. I'm over here like thinking I got a rifle and I've got a like a DMR.
I'm definitely running an energy gun, whatever it may be.
Huh?
I'm definitely running an energy gun, if I can find one.
Dude, I can't stand your mic.
Rings around
I'm
the corner.
sorry.
10 left.
It's literally
I wanna hear
like
what it sounds
constant, like anytime your audio's there, it's
Yep, I'll definitely need that. A respawn beacon.
Extra supplies over here.
Is that an insult? I don't even know what that does, but it sounds like something that would revive me. Dude, how did those not hit? Oh shoot! Both teams are on me. It's healing, I think. I don't know what the noise is.
Closing. A winner has been appointed.
Hostile right here. Found.
Oh my god.
Reloading. I am trained. Using a Phoenix kit.
I'm healing.
Shot down. Enemy down.
Oh shoot! That gun's a burst?
Warning.
Contact with
Dude on
hostile.
top.
Progress.
He's on top.
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Where's he at? Is he out?
I got it. I'm good. I'm good.
Where's he at?
Right here. There's two of them. Don't shoot.
There we are.
Let's get this done! Ooh, I got the 30-30, baby.
Gracie, I'm on Theron's YouTube.
Big things in that.
Huh?
I'm gonna be on Theron's YouTube.
It depends. Depends on how awful the audio sounds in the video.
Is it that bad? God dang.
Dude, it's literally 24/7. But it's
I'm
like I'm
sorry.
it's like I'm talking to a robot. Dude, I'm about to get high as a kite at these flowers, man.
Ooh.
You are so far away from me. Holy bollocks.
Sometimes all I think about is you late nights in the middle of June. Who, him? Yeah, it's YouTube can hear me. Well, he edits. He edits. So the people can hear. Do you not think my singing sounds good, Gracie? Oh, okay.
Put all that in on purpose. Oh, guys, coming up, zip line, zip line.
I'm spotted. Taking
Yeah, I'm
fire.
screwed.
I'm coming up.
Reloading.
I ran.
Here's going.
Don't go up there. I ran.
Just using my.
Both on me.
Well, you're screwed.
Well, I was coming up to help you because you were shooting.
Someone's coming left of me. What he did? He did nothing.
Dang, you only did 88 damage. I did much better than you that round. I didn't realize you were gonna jump down as soon as I went up.
Well, they kind of rushed me.
Okay, I'm gonna get that to you, and I'm gonna see if I can change my
I'm the jump master.
mouse
No
and
straining
keyboard,
up.
mouse sensitivity, ADS mouse sensitivity.
This might be a good place to land. Enough lambing around.
There's no point in playing like that. They're going like.
Ah! Dude, I don't know what I turned down, but I did not turn down the right ADS. Because it turned down my whole sensitivity. Mouse sensitivity. Oh! I did turn down the wrong one. Huh?
How do you record like your games?
I pushed Alt F9. My computer has. I have GeForce on my computer. Buy me love. Trying to buy me love.
When are you gonna make a YouTube video of me in it?
Whenever you get a wireless
What if
mic.
you didn't? Someone said it's that bad.
Dude, just wait till I edit it and show it to you.
When you blow into them.
I like blowing. Did I actually? Oh, okay.
Extended
Watch
light
this, watch
mag
this.
here. Level 3.
Watch how slow I can spin. Look, this is the slowest, and then this is the fastest. Just
What
gotta,
dude's having a seizure.
what the heck?
don't know about it, but I got a whole first aid kit.
Why is that? Why is that bird carrying a package? Is that Amazon Air?
You wanna fight somebody?
Well, that was the plan, wasn't it?
There's time.
Dude, we cannot get in a long range fight with them. They'll kill us.
That's some materials, amigos. Enemy spotted.
You see him?
Way out there, like little cucarachas.
Oh shoot!
Scanning the area.
I fell. I didn't make the jump.
There's another one. Run, 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 run. Run, run, Theron.
Charging on my shields.
That's what I'm saying. We can't, you know. Don't fight up there. Run.
I missed the jump. I'm kind of cornered, honestly. Yeah. One's there and one's right beside me. One's up. One's going up top.
They're shooting at me.
God dang, he hit me the craver in the head.
I jumped. I
that's what
I
I'm
tried to
saying.
jump to where you were, and I missed the jump and fell, and they were on both sides of me. I don't know how I missed that jump.
Alright, get what you need, and tell me when you're ready.
Did I delete my shots in this? Oh, I do.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Ooh!
So I can aim with a sniper.
Would you? God dang!
Did I just hit? Wait, did I just hit you there, or was that the thing behind you? Oh my god, that lag! Oh!
Ah! Alright, I'm done taking it easy.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good, pick up another one. Pick up another one. I feel bad.
No, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Good. Oh, actually, never mind. I need to pick up another one.
Where you at? Where you at, Caden? Huh?
I don't know.
How do you not know? I don't even know this map. I was watching you that whole time. I was waiting on you to stand still. Oh, that's not you? What the heck? I freaking fell and it like screwed me over.
Charging up my shields.
Oh my, hold on, what the, wait, how do I, oh, I was pressing the wrong button. I was pressing the wrong button that whole time. I was like trying to zoom out. I could barely see you.